Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the surfaces because adhesion depends on cleanliness and fit. First, clean both metal surfaces with isopropyl until no oils remain, then lightly roughen with fine sandpaper to increase surface area. Once done, dry fit the frame halves and mark exact alignment with a pen so you don't shift later. Apply protective tape to lenses and pads. Now mix a small amount of epoxy or have a thin cyanoacrylate ready. You'll apply adhesive precisely in the next step. You should apply adhesive sparingly because excess weakens the joint and fouls moving parts. For cyanoacrylate, place a thin 1-2 mm bead along the mating edge. For epoxy, mix equal parts and use a toothpick to place a thin film. Then align the frame halves and clamp gently. Pressure should be even to squeeze out microbubbles but not distort shape. Once clamped, wipe any squeeze out with acetone. Make sure to follow cure times. Short bonds set fast, but full strength usually needs several hours. You finish by waiting the full cure time so the joint reaches maximum strength. Then remove clamps and sand the joint with 400-600 grit to blend surfaces and remove flash. Once smooth, polish gently and reassemble screws and pads. Test hinge motion and frame alignment on your face to ensure comfort and optical stability. If the repair cracks or fails, don't panic. Clean the surfaces, re-roughen, and use a metal-specific 2-part epoxy or seek soldering/brazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.